Symax Duotab tablets are a prescription medication used to treat various gastrointestinal conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, peptic ulcers, and other gastrointestinal disorders characterized by muscle spasms and excessive acid production. Symax Duotab tablets contain a combination of hyoscyamin sulfate, phenyltoluoxamine citrate, and atropine sulfate as active substances. Hyoscyamin and atropine are anticholinergic medications that help relax smooth muscles, including those in the gastrointestinal tract. Phenyltoluoxamine is an antihistamine with additional muscle relaxing properties. Indications: Symax Duotab tablets are indicated for the relief of symptoms associated with gastrointestinal disorders, including abdominal pain, cramps, bloating, and excess stomach acid. How to use: take Symax Duotab tablets orally as directed by a healthcare professional. The usual dosage is 1 to 2 tablets taken every 4 hours or as needed, or as directed by a doctor. For children over 2 years old, the recommended dosage is based on the child's age and weight and should be determined by a healthcare professional. Contraindications: don't use Symax Duotab tablets if you are allergic to hyoscyamin sulfate, phenyltoluoxamine citrate, atropine sulfate, or any ingredients in the product. Avoid Symax Duotab tablets if you have certain medical conditions such as glaucoma, urinary retention, myasthenia gravis, or certain cardiac conditions. Precautions: Symax Duotab may cause drowsiness or dizziness. Avoid activities requiring mental alertness until know how the medication affects you. Inform a healthcare professional about all medications you are currently taking, as Symax Duotab may interact with other drugs. Side effects: common side effects of Symax Duotab may include dry mouth, blurred vision, and constipation. Allergic reactions to any of the active substances are rare but may occur. Seek medical attention if you develop signs of an allergic reaction such as rash, itching, or difficulty breathing. Please note that Symax Duotab tablets are a prescription medication, and you should always follow the instructions provided by a healthcare professional. Do not adjust the dosage or stop the medication without consulting a doctor. If you experienced any adverse reactions or have concerns about using Symax Duotab tablets, contact a healthcare professional promptly.